Hi everyone. So today what we're going to do, we're going to learn how to write an expression for the sequence of operations. So here we have two problems that we're going to work on. And really the whole point of this is to translate math language into the actual mathematics that we see every day. So the first problem that we'll get is subtracting x from 1. Now, the reason why I'm doing subtraction is because, and on both of these, is really because subtraction, you have to think opposite. You've got to think backwards, okay? So a lot of people want to go ahead and say that subtract x from 1. Well, that just means x minus 1. That's what a lot of people want to go ahead and do. But you have to do it backwards. It has to be x from 1. So you have to kind of read it from right to left to an extent. So for number 1, subtract x from 1. That would actually be written as 1 minus x. And that's how we can translate this expression or this sequence of operations into a mathematical expression. So number 2 is going to work very similar to that. So we still have to kind of read backwards in a bit because the keyword says subtract. So we subtract 1 from x, so that means that would be x minus 1. Then we double it. Now what we do with that is that we would put parentheses around the x minus 1, the thing that we just wrote. And when we say the word double, that means it's going to be multiplied by 2. And then add 3. So that means we're going to be adding a plus sign and then a 3 on the outside. So in other words, for number 2, our expression for the sequence of operations would be 2 times x minus 1, close parentheses, plus 3. So like I said, the reason why I hit on subtraction is because you have to think backwards. You have to think opposite with subtraction. Addition and multiplication work naturally like your brain would do it. Division, excuse me, division works a little bit backwards, but still division is mostly natural. Subtraction is the one that works backwards. So that's why I wanted to focus in on these. All the other ones we're going to focus in class and the PowerPoint lectures. So as always, let me know if you have any questions of any kind.